Okay, so we have this chicken breast and it's thick on this end and it's narrow here. So what we want to do is we want to cut the thick part and fold the meat over where it is flat. So you just start by getting your shears in the fat part. And you just start snipping. And then you want to cut it along the top because you're going to fold this over. So see, you just keep going deeper into the chicken, and you're going to also cut here because you're folding it over. So basically, you're cutting the chicken in half so it will fold over, and you just sort of follow the line of the chicken, and you just keep snipping until you have this. And y'all, again, see, this is, it's hard sometimes to get this just right. And you can just cook this separately. See, don't fret if it's not perfectly even, and then you can also do that. But it's a lot better than it was. Anyway, so now I'm going to salt the chicken and let it sit for 30 minutes. And I want to give you another tip. In addition to salting, and I'm going to show you, you do very liberally if you have a good salt. Don't use iodized salt. You want to use kosher salt. And the one that I use is the Diamond Crystal. And I keep it in this big bag. This is one of the best ones you can get, or the Morton kosher salt. I'm using half of this chicken to make my curried chicken salad. And one trick about seasoning is season in stages. Season before you cook, then season after you cook, then season after the meal is prepared. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these. These have already sat in the salt. So I'm going to use these for the curried chicken salad. And y'all, I love curry, so I put a lot. And then I also put a little turmeric. The reason you do this is there's a miraculous thing that happens when you put salt and heat together. It just works a magic that doesn't happen when you cook chicken and it's done and you throw salt on it. That never really works. But anyway, and now I'm gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, and then I will cook this at 400. I'm gonna cover it, cook it at 400, and for about 45 minutes to an hour, and we'll have some great white meat chicken.